The concept for the new smoothie, we need a lot of energy in this smoothie and a nice color. I select the ingredient to depend to the color of the smoothie and also the taste of the smoothie. You have the green one, more sweety, more acidity. You have the yellow one, more exotic flavor. It's depends on the colors. For the quality and the freshness, we work with premium fruits, and we are certainly the quality is top. Engagement for the people, for us, it's really important. We show on our colleague the new smoothie, and it's really important. We have a big overview of different people. I'm really satisfied with the 3 smoothie. We have 3 colorful smoothie with a lot of flavor, sweetness, and I think that the people like it.
I was really surprised when I saw them. I know it's been a work in progress, and when you now see the colors right in front of you, you can easily see them being sold in smoothie bars.
These group discussions were very nice. We were mixed between ready meals, vegetables and fruit. So we had some fruit experts, and it was very nice to exchange because we have different opinions, different visions. So it was very nice to put all the ideas together and to come to new ideas to maybe improve it.
In terms of flavor, I think all of the different flavors were quite well balanced. There wasn't a specific flavor that was really overpowering. When you took a look at the ingredients and then you tasted the smoothie, you could really distinguish all the different ingredients in the taste.
I would definitely buy them, yes. As mentioned, I'm a huge fan now already.